Welcome back, guys. This is about fixing a no start, no crank condition on a 2004 Beetle Turbo S. It ran great. There was no issues with it, no symptoms, and we drove it outside to work on something in here for a little bit, went to come back in, and nothing. Electronics would work, the HVAC would work, mirrors, windows, all that stuff would work. But it just wouldn't crank at all. What you're going to want to look for is, this is your fuse box on top of your battery. And do you see how it looks all nasty in here? And it looks melted and kind of burnt. That's because there was a short right here, from here to here. Bought this new one off Amazon. This was 20 bucks or something like that. I'll put a link below to the one that I'm using. All right, let's do it. I think I'm first gonna just disconnect the battery completely so that there is no chance of power going in here. Looks like we have to remove this piece right here on the positive terminal. Here's the new part. Looks pretty identical to me. You can also see that, see all this whiteness? That was a fire, an electrical fire happening in here. Wow, look at how burned that is. That's crazy. There's a piece of almost electrical tape underneath here. And the insulation is coming off this wire pretty bad. Ooh, yikes. So I'm gonna go get some brush-on liquid electric tape to repair the insulation on this wire. Oh, and check this out. So not only is it all burnt, but look at the bottom. Yeah, I'm surprised I didn't smell this. So what I'm going to do, just because this wire looks a little corroded, is I'm just going to put some soldering flux on it. I don't know. Maybe that'll help it deoxidize a little. I was looking for a little tube of stuff called DeOxit. It's a really awesome product. Again, I'll put it in the link below, but you can put it on oxidized wires and it just sort of, there's no more oxidation. It cleans them right up. So what it looks like happened is that this just got really corroded. So what we're going to do is screw these on here, and then I have some corrosion inhibitor that we're going to just spray on here. Anti-corrosion spray. You know what? Electrically this is identical, but the plastic is molded different. This has a little clip here, and I'm assuming this wants a slot here, and these should not go here. So apparently I need to update this piece, this upper battery cover, to be compatible with this. Did not know that, but this is junk, so this is what we're using. That's weird. The cable is different too. This has an integrated nut and this side support, so I'm going to try to pry this nut off and snip this side support off. Alright, I think that's it. Let's see if it works. Wow. That was not it. It still won't crank at all. It acts 100% dead in terms of the starter motor. The interior electronics work, power is everywhere to the car, but no start, no crank, not even a click. I don't know what is up with this, but I guess this video is about changing that thing for no reason. So hope you enjoyed. If you have a burned fuse box, I guess it doesn't even matter. Alright, one more thing before you go. This car was dead when I went to start it initially, and I thought it was just due to that burnt fuse box, but check this out. Listen closely. Something is running. I don't know what, but if I pull this fuse, it goes out. So something on this circuit is making a ton of noise and killing the battery, and this thing is no crank, no start. To be continued.